guys. We're in the cockpit. Good morning. Today is Saturday, June 10th, and it's like almost 7:30, and right now I'm trying to wake Charlie up. He's not waking up because he was so tired yesterday and not taking a nap. So he's snoozing hardcore. Charlie. Hey. You want some oatmeal? Wanna go see Grandma and Grandpa? Uncle Jack? Hello? Cookie? Chocolate milk? Hello? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Hi, I'm Bob the Train. Boy, wake up. Charlie. Psst. Hello. Maybe if I turn on the light. Charlie. Charlie. I saw your finger twitching. Come on, boy. Wake up. Hey. Get up. Hello? Anybody in there? Oh, he moves. Charlie. Hey boy, wake up. We gotta get up now. Go see Grandma and Grandpa. Uncle Jack and a bunch of planes. Hello? Hello? I'm actually raising my voice a little just as if it'll wake him up. Hey boy. Wanna go see Daddy? Mommy's here. Charlie. Oh, we got more movement. Oh, oh, oh. And he's gonna cry. Hi. Okay, good job. I know. Poor thing. Let's go eat some breakfast, okay? Alright, so we are stopped at Quick Trip and we're on our way to Eddie's parents' house where we're gonna all pile into their van and then we're going to, oh bless you. And then we're gonna all ride over together because it's about 30 minutes away or whatever. So, I got Charlie dressed in this cute little camo shorts that we actually bought when we were on our anniversary. And, you know, I figure we're going to a base. Might as well put him in camo, right? So anyway, that's what's going on right now. Oh, we're getting closer. I see planes.
Oh, some folks parked way out here.
There's a long line. There's been a long, long line back there, but we're getting closer.
Oh, you can actually park right there to go look at those airplanes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's not
that's
on.
for the
I thought it
public.
was.
No, it's not on base.
Yeah, that's
Just walking in the line of lots and lots of people everywhere.
you see all the people.
All the people.
You see them all.
We are at the Scott Air Force Base Air Show. Having fun, vlogging a little bit for Angel because she has no idea I have the camera. She'll see it later. Oops, I think she laughed and heard me. Oh, she heard me. Well, surprise ended.
Hi, Jack. Hi. Yeah, so we're checking out all the stuff in this hangar right now. There's a drone. Trying to keep Charlie satisfied. He's like, what is that?
Behind it.
And there they go off hand in hand to explore the unknown. Ooh, there's some horses. Clydesdales. They're big.
Those big horses.
That's pretty cool. Ooh. There they are. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that or not because it's so bright, but there's like parachuters up there. I can't even hardly see it because of the sun. It's up there though. Can you see? Oh, I can kind of see the whole thing. The sun is so bright. It's pretty cool though. See if I can zoom in. It's pretty cool. They got the flag and everything. Oh yeah, here. So we're sitting on our way to find our seats and we just stopped to look at planes. And this is zoomed in. And there's Eddie. Hi. We were actually finishing our food. We finished most of the food. Jack helped me. So, yeah.
There's little tiny little pieces sort of around the
Yeah. Under the plane.
That's where the map's set.
Ooh. People are smart. They're in the shade.
You think the Air Force get the map?
Well, details.
Details, right? They don't need details.
Pretty cool. Oh, look at that.
F-15Es, F-22 Raptors, and an F-16.
Oh, there's a fun little
And
toy
there's
over
the
there.
F-18 Hornets.
Getting an inflatable toy for Charlie because you know he loves balloons. So it's like that whole thing right there. Ice cream. Ooh, ice cream.
Actually, how much is the
There goes another plane.
this one? I think it's 10. 10?
He wasn't even that long for distance.
Wow! Man, short takeoff. That's like a level of short takeoff. Look at that.
Oh yeah, I know, right?
Put a house in there.
Yeah, I know. So we're sitting in our seats. Eddie's back with Charlie, trying to get him to go to sleep. So we're watching the air show going on. That's a big plane.
Territory allows for more suitable operations at airfields near heavily populated cities.
Yeah.
This reliable airlifter combines the
Here it comes again.
Ladies and gentlemen, in case you're wondering how big C-17 really is, the wingspan is roughly 170 feet, and the tail is over 5 stories.
Fellows, Molly and all of the other facilities that were on and around Ford Island. Very shortly after the beginning of the invasion, diesel engine driving that torpedo into the side of our ship.
This is gonna be loud.
Don't worry, you're okay, buddy.
He's gotta cover his ears. So we just got done changing Charlie's diaper in the bed. If you can hear me.
What?
Yeah, I know, it's loud.
I love it. Okay.
Massachusetts, number 5, Major Alex Church.
From the front.
Are you watching the planes? Are you watching the planes?
They're coming from the front, Charlie. Right in front of us. One on top of the other.
Where? Oh,
Sorry.
I choked my eye out.
There they go. Look.
Wow.
Woo-hoo. There they are. Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
Apparently Charlie just got out of the gym. He's got his towel around his neck. Been working out hard, haven't you? He's so tired. Yeah.
Ears are probably ringing.
Okay. They're doing the final task.
Troops, tanks, and supplies. That's what we're going for. I don't need to necessarily.
So much longer in line when I got their I don't know if those people are alive. Where are they? Right, I can't point. I have no idea what they're. Beds. We're in the cockpit.
I could retain that.
That's cool.
You see that?
Very nice. Have you been on a C-17 before?
Nope.
Well, welcome. This is what it looks like.
This is it, huh?
What is this thing?
That is the heads-up display.
In the cockpit.
That guy said it was all loaded, too. Yeah, we had a whole bunch of stuff for the air show.
Yeah,
Here
I'm
we
sorry.
got the Predator. I think you're one.
He's got a whole field. Did you get the look? Oh, there it is. Big tire. Big tire, huh?
Yeah. Manufacturer, I guess, most big. What is that?
You got sprayed by some mist. Yeah. Whew. I'm so hot. I'm so hungry. So we're making the long trek back to the car. It's very hot. I'm very tired. Very hungry. I'm ready to get there. I'm ready to go eat and get air conditioned because it's like 5 o'clock. And there's a big bus going by. Yeah, that was loud. And Charlie didn't get a nap today either, so that's gonna be fun. Oh, sun! I am so sunburned. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're finally on our way back home. It's
Good day.
8 o'clock.
It was a
Charlie,
good
Eddie enjoyed his day today. Charlie did not get any kind of nap today, so hopefully he'll pass out right when we get home. He's tired. We stopped at Arby's to eat.
Because they have the meats.
They have the meats. We were originally going to stop at Subway, and then we saw that they were like kind of busy, and somebody mentioned Cracker Barrel, so we're like, let's go to Cracker Barrel. So we go to Cracker Barrel, but they're like busy.
40-minute wait.
Yeah. So then we went to another restaurant right there called
Freddy's frozen custard and steak burgers.
and they were busy.
There was not one table that was empty at all.
No. So, and then we're like, well, the Arby's is dead, like the parking lot, there's nobody.
Yeah.
So
There were like 6 people at Arby's.
So we went over there, and it was actually pretty nice. And I tried their new pizza sliders, which is actually
Good. Sorry,
yeah.
I mean, I was very
no, it's
They were
okay.
good.
They are good. They're like basically kind of like Hot Pockets, but a little different. So, and Charlie ate all of Eddie's food.
Yeah, twice today. His food took too long, so I was like, fine, eat mine.
Yeah.
I got at least 3 bites off of this sandwich. Well, I got about 4 bites off the last one. He ate the rest.
Yeah.
A hamburger and a beef and cheddar.
Yeah, it was
He
pretty
didn't
fun.
eat the bread. He only ate the. I only gave him the actual meat, but still.
Yeah, it was
Eat
pretty
my
funny. It's just, but
So I didn't get a lot to eat today.
that's okay. So now we're going home. I'm gonna put him to bed. Hopefully he goes right out. I'm sure he will. But I don't want to jinx myself, so you know, let's just say hope. And then I'm gonna edit yesterday's video. Hopefully that won't take too long. It shouldn't. Yesterday was a very short vlog, so yeah. And just veg out for the rest of the night. Oh, I gotta take a shower because all this. Oh, yeah, I'm
Don't worry, buddy.
sunburned.
We're almost done.
I forgot to put sunscreen on me. I put it on Charlie, and I wanted to make sure. He's a little pinkish though. I think the sun's
Just a little
just a
toasty.
little, but he's okay. And I'm sure that sun wiped him out today too. But he actually enjoyed parts of the air show, so.
Oh yes, he did. Oh.
Except for when they had the really loud,
Oh, those
those flybys. Oh, those were so loud, and he didn't care for those too much. But it was pretty cool. So it was a good day. It was a very full, good day. And I think we're all gonna sleep like crazy tonight.
Yes, we are.
Yeah. So anyway, that's that. Here's sunburned face coming at you again. Oh, we're home. Put Charlie down. I'm pretty sure he's already asleep. I think he fell asleep almost right away, except for a couple little. But I'm about to go back there and see. I'm about to go edit my video or take a shower. I don't know which one's gonna go first. And then just chill for the rest of the night. So I would say night night. Tomorrow is Jack's 30th birthday, so we're gonna go out to eat sometime tomorrow. But the first part of the day, I'm sure we'll just be relaxing. And yeah, so that should be a good day. And that's all I have for today. It was a lot of fun, and I got a lot of footage, so I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.